Hey guys, it's Robert from East Coast Sawing Design. Today is the middle of April 2026. This is the first day I'm getting into the woods for some serious firewood cutting. This winter we got a lot more snow than we normally do, so the trails are only just starting to really get melted out now. The main trails that you've seen in past videos are still completely snow covered. So today's job is we're going to do a little bit of cleanup of some poplar tops from last year. We cut down about 6 or 7 poplar trees on this section of the property specifically to be used for sawmill logs, and we didn't clean up any of the tops or anything because we were short on time. So today's job is to clean up all the tops, or at least get a start on cleaning up tops, and some little bits of wood here and there. There's some wild cherry just into that way in the woods. There's some little ones like this that aren't going to get cut up for much, but they're in the way of the trails. So today's tool of choice is the Sthil MS261. Perfect lightweight little saw for this kind of work. Ooh, caught on the branch. This is the first time I'm getting to run it this year. I've started it to make sure it's going to start for the summer, but this is the first time I'm actually getting to run it for this season. So here we go. So you see guys, it doesn't take long to get some of this scrap and brush cleaned up. I didn't save everything that I could possibly for firewood because I would have just too much if I did. We don't burn a ton of poplar. It's really our first fall, last spring wood because it's not a good banking wood. But we got a fair amount of it back here from cutting up those logs last fall. So I'm going to continue getting everything cleaned up. Hope you liked the video, guys. Give me a comment, give me a subscribe. You know the drill. Thanks.